deep inside an ancient forest, hidden beneath the trees. A tiny life was waiting to be born. One tiny egg finally began to hatch.
A fragile newborn entered the world.
Too weak to walk, too young to fly.
But the baby was not alone. Its mother wrapped it in warmth and love.
For a moment, the world felt safe.
But suddenly, something changed.
The forest began to panic. A terrible firestorm was coming.
The mother desperately tried to save her baby.
But the tiny bird was too weak to move.
The flames came closer.
And with a broken heart, the mother ran for her life.
The little bird was left completely alone.
The newborn did not understand fear.
God, please save me.
And suddenly, the heavens answered. The fire was gone.